Welcome to Switzerland! Switzerland isn't just about mountains and lakes. Its cities are just as stunning. Each Swiss city has a unique character shaped by history, culture, food, and lifestyle. In this video, we'll explore Switzerland's top famous cities where tradition meets modern life. Get ready for a journey filled with culture, weather, history, and delicious Swiss cuisine. Zurich, the cultural and financial hub. Zurich, Switzerland's largest city and global financial center. But Zurich is more than business. It's a cultural hotspot. Zurich's Old Town is packed with medieval architecture, cobblestone lanes, and vibrant cafes. The city also hosts over 50 museums and 100 art galleries, including the world-class Kunsthaus Zurich. Summers are warm, perfect for swimming in Lake Zurich, while winters are chilly with nearby skiing opportunities. Zurich is known for Zürcher Geschnetzeltes, a creamy veal dish served with Rasti. For fine dining, head to Kronenhalle. Famous for its art-filled interiors and traditional Swiss cuisine. Geneva, city of diplomacy. Next is Geneva, the cosmopolitan city on the edge of Lake Geneva. Geneva is home to international diplomacy. Hosting the United Nations and the Red Cross, the city blends Swiss, French, and global cultures, reflected in its architecture and lifestyle. The Jet d'eau fountain, shooting water 140 meters high, is Geneva's iconic landmark. Geneva enjoys a milder climate, with pleasant summers and relatively moderate winters. Geneva is famous for fondue and raclette, cheesy delights perfect on cold days. Don't miss Café du Soleil, one of the oldest restaurants in the city, known for its authentic fondue. Bern, Switzerland's capital, Bern is a city full of history and charm. Its medieval Old Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with arcaded streets, sandstone buildings, and the famous Zitglogge clock tower. Bern is also home to the Federal Palace, where Swiss politics happen. Bern has warm summers and snowy winters, giving the city a cozy winter feel. A must-try here is Bernese Platte, a traditional meat platter. For a sweet treat, Bern is also the birthplace of Toblerone chocolate. Head to Restaurant Kornhauskeller, an atmospheric spot in a historic cellar serving Swiss classics. Lucerne, the postcard city. Lucerne is often described as Switzerland's most beautiful city. A postcard come to life. The city is famous for its chapel bridge, 14th century wooden bridge decorated with painted panels. Lucerne's Old Town is filled with colorful frescoed buildings and lively squares. Summers are sunny and perfect for boat rides on Lake Lucerne, while winters bring snowy mountain views from nearby Mount Pilatus and Rigi. Lucerne is known for El Plor Magranone, a Swiss-style macaroni with cheese, potatoes, and onions. Try Wirtshaus Gallicoor, a family-run restaurant, serving hearty Swiss dishes since the 1800s. Basel, the cultural capital. Basel, located on the Rhine River, near the borders of France and Germany. Basel is Switzerland's cultural capital, boasting over 40 museums, including the world-famous Art Basel Fair and the Keynes Museum. Its medieval old town out with the Basel Minster Cathedral is a delight to explore. Basel has mild winters and warm summers, making it pleasant year-round. Local specialties include Basler Leckerli, a spiced biscuit, and hearty riverfish dishes. Don't miss Restaurant Walliserkin, known for traditional raclette and fondue. Which Swiss city would you love to explore first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring.